Name, Rabiflu virus. Species, Lissa influenza veneficus. Scientific designation, RV76. Description, Rabiflu is a highly contagious and lethal viral infection developed by Kontoo Industries as part of its bioweapons program. This hybrid pathogen combines characteristics of rabies and influenza, targeting both the respiratory and nervous systems of humans and animals. Engineered for rapid transmission and devastating effects, Rabiflu is one of the deadliest bioweapons ever created, with a mortality rate nearing 90%. Characteristics. 1. Pathogenesis. Rabiflu infects hosts through direct contact with saliva, blood, or other bodily fluids of infected individuals, or through inhalation of aerosolized particles containing the virus. Once inside the body, the virus replicates rapidly, spreading through the bloodstream and lymphatic system to the respiratory tract, brain, and spinal cord. The virus's dual targeting nature causes simultaneous respiratory failure and severe neurological damage. 2. Symptoms and progression. Incubation period, 2 days to 3 weeks. The virus remains asymptomatic while replicating in the host's body. The length of the incubation period depends on the route and dose of exposure. Early stage, day 3 to 7. Symptoms mimic those of the flu, including fever, headache, cough, sore throat, muscle aches, and fatigue. Mild respiratory distress may begin to develop. Intermediate stage, day 8 to 12. The virus spreads to the brain and spinal cord, causing severe neurological symptoms such as agitation, confusion, hallucinations, insomnia, and seizures. Respiratory symptoms worsen, with shortness of breath, wheezing, and chest pain. The salivary glands become inflamed, leading to excessive drooling and difficulty swallowing. Advanced stage, day 13 to 16. Neurological complications escalate, including paralysis and hydrophobia, fear of water. The infected individual experiences severe respiratory failure, cardiac arrhythmias, and multi-organ dysfunction. Coma and death occur within 16 to 18 days of infection in most cases. 3. Transmission. Rabiflu spreads through direct contact with infected bodily fluids or inhalation of aerosolized particles. The virus can survive on surfaces for several hours, increasing the risk of transmission through fomites, contaminated objects. Crowded and unsanitary conditions significantly accelerate the spread of the virus. 4. Resistance. Engineered for resilience, Rabiflu can withstand environmental extremes, remaining viable in both hot and cold conditions. It is resistant to conventional antiviral treatments, requiring advanced and experimental countermeasures. Mechanism of action. Rabiflu binds to epithelial cells in the respiratory tract, initiating rapid replication and inflammation. The virus then invades the nervous system, traveling along peripheral nerves to the brain and spinal cord. It releases neurotoxic proteins that disrupt neural communication, leading to severe neurological symptoms and eventual organ failure. Containment and countermeasures. 1. Isolation protocols. Infected individuals must be quarantined in negative pressure isolation units to prevent airborne transmission. Contaminated areas require decontamination with specialized chemical agents capable of neutralizing the virus. 2. Protective measures. Personnel handling the virus or infected individuals must wear full-body protective suits with independent oxygen supplies. Strict hygiene protocols, including the use of antiviral disinfectants, are mandatory. 3. Treatment. Supportive care includes oxygen therapy, mechanical ventilation, and management of neurological symptoms. Experimental antiviral therapies targeting the virus's replication mechanisms are under development but remain unproven.